Hello students, welcome back to Ravi's classes and let us continue with the MCQs part 2. We have done the part 1 yesterday in which we have discussed 20 MCQs and now we will proceed further into the next part of the same. So today's first question is question number 21st. Which is the first enzyme that mixes with the food? So you all know that when food is taken in the buccal cavity, our salivary glands produces salivary amylase. So the salivary amylase will be the first enzyme that interacts with the food and digests, or you can say break down the starch into the simple sugars. Next question is the cellular energy reserves in autotrophs are. Options are A glycogen, B starch, C protein, D fatty acids. Glycogen is the store product in the animals. Proteins are also there, fatty acids are also there, but proteins and fatty acids they can be in the animals also, but starch is only seen in the plants. So here the answer will be the starch. After the food is prepared, after photosynthesis is done, the glucose is converted into starch and it is stored in the plants. 23. The next question is autotrophs require carbon dioxide and water, chlorophyll, sunlight. All three are the raw materials for the process of photosynthesis. So the option will be the option D, that is all of them. Question number 24. The breakdown of pyruvate into carbon dioxide, energy and water takes place in the pyruvic acid, which is formed in the process of glycolysis in the cytoplasm, goes into the mitochondria, and in the mitochondria it undergoes the Krebs cycle and forms carbon dioxide, energy and water is also released. So the answer for this particular question will be mitochondria, right? Question is question number 25. When air is blown through lime water, it turns milky because of, see here, lime water, its chemical formula is CaOH whole twice and it turns milky, so it forms CaCO3. It can do so when carbon dioxide is blown through it. So here the answer will be the carbon dioxide, that is option B. The next question is write the correct sequence of air passage involved in inhalation. Option A is larynx to nostrils to pharynx to lungs. Option B is nostrils to pharynx to larynx to trachea to alveoli. So here we will find that the air which is taken through the nostrils, it passes through the pharynx and then it goes to the voice box, that is larynx, and into the trachea, and then finally goes to the alveoli. So again here the option B is the correct answer. Now let us see the next question. Next question is during respiration exchange of gases takes place in. It is a very easy question to understand that alveoli of lungs. Gases exchange takes place in the alveoli of the lungs. Question number 28. What prevents backflow of blood during contraction? Look, here the options are valves in the heart, B is thick muscular walls of the ventricles, C is thin walls of atria, and option D is all of the above. First of all, well, let us cancel out all of the above, because here thin walls of atria just pushes the blood downwards into the ventricles, then ventricles may push the blood back into the atria, and that is not allowed because of the presence of valves in the heart. If you check out my video for the circulation of the blood in the heart, you can see that I have told you that mitral valve and the tricuspid valve prevents the backflow of the blood during the contraction. Question number 29. The correct path of urine is. Options are kidney, ureter, urethra, urinary bladder. If this cannot be the option, then kidney, urinary bladder, urethra and ureter. Again, this option is also incorrect. The correct option is option C, that is kidney, ureter, urinary bladder, and finally it is excreted out through urethra. So question number 30 is during deficiency of oxygen in tissues of humans, pyruvic acid is converted into lactic acid in. When oxygen is deficient, it is somewhat lacking in the tissue, pyruvic acid is converted into lactic acid, ये कहाँ पर होता है? It is taking place in the cytoplasm, because when oxygen is present, then only the mitochondria will come into action. But chloroplast is not the answer, because chloroplast not seen in the case of animals and the human beings. Golgi body is not related to this particular process, so this will also not be the correct answer. Mitochondria, you may get confused, but mitochondria can only work in the presence of oxygen, and that is why the answer will be cytoplasm. Question number 31. Xylem helps in transportation of water, translocation of the food, both A and B, and transportation of water and minerals. So translocation of food is done through phloem, okay, and transportation of water can be the correct answer, but here transportation of water and minerals both are given and option D. So option D will be the correct answer for this question. Question number 32. What is the approximate length of an alimentary canal? The length of the alimentary canal approximately is 4.5 to 5 meters. Okay. Question number 33. Which organelle is powerhouse of the cell? All of you know from the very beginning that mitochondria is called as the powerhouse of the cell. Okay. Question number 34. Which respiration is much efficient? Aerobic, anaerobic, both are equal, and none of these. None of these तो बिल्कुल नहीं होगा यहाँ पर आंसर. Both are equal भी नहीं होगा, because anaerobic respiration produces less amount of energy as compared to aerobic respiration, because aerobic respiration produces in total of 38 ATP molecules, which is far higher than that of the anaerobic respiration, and that is why the aerobic respiration will be the correct answer. Write the full form of ATP, that is adenosine triphosphate. Adenosine triphosphate, it is ATP, whereas adenosine diphosphate, it is written as ADP, and adenosine phosphate in nothing, it is also called as adenosine monophosphate, so it is written as AMP. So none of these तो बिल्कुल भी option नहीं होगा यहाँ पर भी. So option C is the correct one. The next question is, which of the following statements are true or is true about the heart? Option A is left atrium receives oxygenated blood from different parts of the body, while right atrium receives deoxygenated blood from the lungs. So this is a wrong option. Correct statement, incorrect statement. Left ventricle pumps oxygenated blood to different parts of the body, while right ventricle pumps deoxygenated blood to the lungs. So this is the correct statement. C option is left atrium transfers oxygenated blood to right ventricle, which sends it to different parts of the body. Definitely it is the wrong answer, because left atrium cannot transfer the blood to the right ventricle. Then last option is right atrium receives oxygenated blood from different parts of the body, while left ventricle pumps the oxygenated blood to different parts of the body. So this is a wrong option. So here option B is the only correct option which is present. So option B is the correct answer. The next question is, single circulation, that is blood flows through our heart only once during one cycle of passes through the body, is exhibited by. In this question you have to find out the options which have the fishes, because fishes only show single circulation. So here is the answer. The first one is option is labio, chameleon and salamander. Here labio is the fish, but chameleon and is the reptile. So this will not be the option. Next option is hippocampus, exocetus and anabas. These three are the fishes, so this is the correct answer. This can be the answer. Hyla, rana, draco, they cannot be because they are amphibians. Whale, dolphin and turtle, because whale and dolphin are the mammals, so this cannot be the answer. So option B is the correct option in this particular question. So our next question is, choose the correct statements that describes the arteries. Option A is they have thick walls, blood flows under high pressure, collect blood from different organs and bring it back to the heart. So arteries never bring the blood back to the heart, so this will be the wrong answer. They have thin walls with valves inside. Valves नहीं होते हैं arteries में, so again this will be the incorrect option. C option is they have thick elastic valves, blood flows under low pressure, carry blood from the heart to different organs of the body. Blood never flows under low pressure, so this is again the incorrect option. Option D is they have thick elastic valves without valves inside. The blood flows under very high pressure and carry blood away from the heart to different parts of the body. So this is the correct option. So option D is the correct answer for this question. Question 39. The filtration units of kidney are nephrons. Question number 40 is oxygen released during photosynthesis comes from the breakdown of water, which is also called as photolysis of water. So, this is option A. So, students, these are the set of next 20 questions that we have discussed today for the chapter number 6 life processes of class 10. For more such videos on the objective questions related to biology and science, please subscribe to the channel and share this channel amongst your friends. Thanks a lot.